All right, welcome into the MarketSauce platform. Your membership and subscription are confirmed, and you've just unlocked your first credit to be used towards a custom MarketSauce buyer persona. So, with that said, welcome to the community. We're excited to get you started with your initial persona. If this is your first time ordering, or if you're an earlier customer of ours and this is your first time subscribing, no matter what, we want to say we're excited to have you here joining us. And the link below is going to contain a link to a type form that we have set up right now, where you'll just insert and it might not be type form, whatever you're watching this, we may change whatever you're submitting it through. It's going to take you to a form that you'll answer your first few questions that we will use as the starting point to get your account set up and locked and loaded. And so a few things are going to happen after you submit your first campaign. Is one, you're going to want to check your email. Is one, you're going to want to check your email, because that is going to contain a link to submit additional blueprints as you need them. So every month, if you only have one, if you're in the very, very starter tier, you just submit your new credit a month, and we'll get you taken care of and make any refinements or any updates that you want with that particular persona. But if you're submitting multiple a month, and just make sure you have that link handy so you can submit multiple, or reply back to us at hey@marketsauce.ai, and we'll make sure that you get a link ASAP. And this will all be streamlined inside of the portal once that's ready and once you are onboarded into there. And so make sure that you submit this first one to the fullest extent, because that will help us get the best information about you, your company, your business. And so your first project is set up and your portal is clean, simple, easy to access. And every future submission from there will all be housed within this private client portal. And so you'll be able to simply bookmark a page, go back to it, check in all of your blueprints, and then take those, update them, run them accordingly, submit more refinement requests, and a number of the other things that you can do with these resources. All of that said, make sure you click that button below, or at least the link through the email, and submit that credit whenever you are ready. And we will be following up with you as well after you submit your credit, of course, but also alongside of this, to make sure that you have access to the additional resources at your disposal, including the private community that we have access for everyone who is a member of this subscription service, and growing and learning and contributing to the MarketSauce mastermind, so to speak, through this forum inside of our community, that you can ask questions, you can share wins, and connect with other community members. And you'll get access to our community events calendar as well, for whenever we do monthly live calls with the entire community coming into place. We do these once a month, and those are all going to be detailed out inside of the members portal. So once you're set up in there, inside of that community, you can send me a direct message. You can post a little bit about yourself and share who you are, what you're doing, what you're excited to learn how to use MarketSauce for, and in general, AI inside of your business, so that we can all grow, learn, and win together. All right. So make sure you fill out that link first. Check your email for details on how to join the community, and then keep an eye out for follow-up emails from myself and our team, so that we can make sure that you are set up for success in these first days of getting started with the custom MarketSauce ordering process. We're excited to serve you. We're excited to help you win with AI and to help you grow your business. I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.